Hi, my name is Martin from Lexus Stockport. I wanted to make a very short video just to show you how to remove the speed warning in your Lexus vehicle. So, if you're looking at the main Lexus screen, you've got all the Lexus icons down the right hand side. First of all, we're going to choose the settings cog on the bottom right hand corner. We then roll up the list until we see driving assist. The very bottom, notification. And then up at the top we have excess speed caution options. If we select and then choose visual and then OK. Now if we were to go over the speed limit, the car diagram will flash to let you know you've gone over the speed limit, but it won't beep 3 times. However, if we turn the vehicle off and then back on again, then it will naturally default to visual and audio. So just as a recap, we choose settings on the bottom corner, we roll up the list until we see driving assist and change notification to visual. That's the speed warning removed on your Lexus vehicle. Thanks again.